this news video. In this video, I'll be covering the Microsoft Windows 10 devices event from on October 5th, 2015. So let's get started. For Xbox, the Windows 10 software update will be available this holiday season, and you can see the list of games that will be available for Xbox on Windows 10. For HoloLens, there's a new game called Project X-Ray. They didn't really touch on it with the information I could include because it would just make it really long. A holographic gauntlet, so basically it can track your hand movements. And Microsoft is now taking applications for the HoloLens developer kit, which will cost $3,000. Microsoft Band has built-in GPS, Cortana, barometer, health applications. It can track oxygen levels and has the golf tracker built in. To continue, it has gyroscopes, applications including Facebook, Uber, and Twitter, and you can pre-order it now for $249 US. New Lumia phones, which have liquid cooling and Optic One processors. Now let's start in the new Lumia phones. The Lumia, I think, is 950. I think I may have made a mistake. Has 5.2 inch display and OLED display. 518 pixels per inch. An SD card slot. USB-C fast charging. A Hello camera. And starts at $449. And you can pre-order it today. The Lumia 950 XL starts as a 5.7 inch display, OLED screen, 564 pixels per inch, and also an SD card slot, USB-C fast charging, and a Hello camera. And starts at $549, and you can pre-order it now. The new Lumias also have a new camera, which has optical image sensors, a camera button on the side of the phone, and does 4K video. Continuum, which is basically a way to run your new Lumia phone on a monitor, allows you to connect your phone with the computer, as HDMI and DisplayPort. And when you connect it to your monitor, it works basically like a Windows 10 computer. It has the Snap multitask and multi-desktop like in Windows 10, and OneDrive. The new Surface is, which I'll be touching on in a few minutes, of Windows 10, Pixel Sense, 0.4mm Gorilla Glass 4, Photoline negative oxide 1.1mm backlight unit, and are compatible with the pen, which I'm touching on now, and trackpad. So the Microsoft Pen will come with the new Surface Pro, which I'll be touching on right after this. It has all-year battery life, a eraser on the top like a pencil, magnetic attachment to the side of the Pro 4. Oops. It works really well. Hold the pen button for 1 minute and it will activate Cortana, and you can you can write in the new web browser Edge. The Surface Pro 4 has a 8.4-inch display, 12.3 pixel sense, laptop class keyboard, buckle keys like on the new MacBook. You can pre-order it now, and I'll be covering it in the next 2 slides. So pay attention to the next. Look, they're comparing it to the MacBook Air, which I'm using now, and it's 50% faster. Let's continue with it. It's available with up to a terabyte of storage, up to 16 gigs of RAM, starts at $899, and there's a new docking station. With USB-C and Pixel and the DisplayPort. And now the new product. The one I've been waiting for myself. The Surface Book, which is basically a laptop you'll see in the next image. So let's start with the Surface Book. It has a nice fancy hinge. Do your research to look it up. I don't have a photo. .13.3 pixel sense screen is compatible with the pen. Also has 0.4 millimeter Gorilla Glass 4. A glass trackpad, PCIe SSDs, and starts at $14.99. Look, they're comparing the Surface Book to the MacBook Pro. 2 times more powerful. Let's keep going with the Surface Book. 12-hour battery life. It's a convertible. It has an i7 processor, weighs only 1.5 pounds. Has USB and HDMI, and you can pre-order it now. And this is the end of the video, so welcome back to another news video. In this video, I'll be covering the Tesla Model X announcement. So let's get started. Under safety, the Model X will have does have a 5-star safety rating in every category. No motor under the hood, so a smaller crumble zone. Have the possibility of rolling over compared to major minivans and SUVs. A bioweapon defense button for some reason, which I don't really understand. For doors and windows, it has automatic doors with a motion sensor, panoramic windshield, and falcon wing doors, which you can see in the photo. And under performance, it can go to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds and has all-wheel drive. And that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching.